Hello, today we're going to go backwards with normal probabilities. Another word for this is inverse. Oop, we're going to take the inverses. So to do that, uh, the calculator function is called inverse norm. And if it's standardized or a z-score, we'll just put the percentile in. If it's not standardized, we'll put percentile, comma mean, comma standard deviation. That will hopefully make sense in a little bit. Now we can use the calculators or we can use the charts. First I'll show you how to use the tables. If to find the z-score for the 43rd percentile, we do the opposite. Now, so in the opposite, we're in here and then we want to find the z-scores. So if we're in here, we want to find 43rd percentile. It looks like it's somewhere between these two values, 0.4286 and 0.4325. So to find the z-score, what we do is we come over here, negative 0.1. The next value would either be 7 or 8. Now, I bet it's somewhere in between there, so maybe let's say 7.5. Now, this is just a guess. This is our estimate. To be more exact, we can use our calculator. To find this with our calculator, I hit second vars to bring up the distribution. Inverse norm is number 3. Now, since 43rd percentile, the area to the left is 0.43. We'll type in 0.43 and not change this. And hit enter. And we got negative 0.176. So that's more precise for the 43rd percentile of a normal distribution than I got using the tables. Now let's do another situation. So let's go backwards in the baby situation. So if we wanted to find the 30th percentile for babies, let's think about this. We know the z-score is equal to the x value. Let's hope this works. So it's the x value minus the mean. So we have our x value minus the mean over a standard deviation. Now, in this case, we know some values. We know that we don't know the x value, but we know the mean is 34.32. We know the standard deviation is 482. And we don't know the z, but we can sure find the z. So what we want to do is we're looking for the 30th percentile. So we do inverse norm of the 30th percentile and then go to paste. We get a value of negative 0.5244. Negative 0.5244. So now we just have to do some algebra and solve for our x value. We take negative 0.5244 and multiply by 482. And then from there, I got negative 252.76 is equal to x minus 3,432. Now I add 3,432 to both sides. Oops. To get a value of 3,179 is our x value for the 30th percentile. Now your calculator gives us a quicker way to do this. Now, but for an AP test, it's nice to show your work. So on our calculator, we can go to inverse norm, type in 0.3, but now for our mean, we just type in 34.32, and for our standard deviation, 482. This is a nice way to check your work. And 3,179.2, that's our answer, so we know we got it right. All right, hopefully that can help you do on your own.